Hello everyone, welcome to Mastermind. Today, let us start with the 19th part of the series on economic survey. Look at the first question. Consider the following statements about the Karnataka State Natural Disaster Monitoring Center KSNDMC. Karnataka was the first state in India to establish a drought monitoring cell in 1988. The drought monitoring cell was renamed KSNMDC in 2007. KSNDMC's early warning system is designed to reduce costs on rescue, relief, and rehabilitation by 7 to 10 rupees for every rupee spent. KSNDMC focused on hazard mapping, vulnerability studies, and natural disaster early warning systems. All the four statements are correct here. Therefore, the right option is option 4, all four. So, Karnataka has the distinction of being the first state. So, please note it down that Karnataka is the first state. It is the first state in the country to establish a drought monitoring cell in 1988. 1988 is the keyword here. This institutional mechanism aimed to assist various stakeholders in taking timely and proactive steps to mitigate and overcome the impacts of drought. In 2007, the drought monitoring cell was renamed as the Karnataka State Natural Disaster Monitoring Center. It is estimated that for every 1 rupee spent, that is spending 1 rupee on early warning and preparedness, if you are spending 1 rupee on early warning and preparedness, then it can reduce the cost of rescue, relief, and rehabilitation by 7 to 10 rupees. So, this is according to economic survey. This is demonstrating a high cost benefit ratio. This investment includes the installation. So, what is this 1 rupee spent for? It is spent for the installation of field monitoring sensors for weather, geological and hydrological data, real-time data collection and transmission to a central analysis center, data processing, alert recognition, simulation using mathematical models, customized report generation, and dissemination of alerts, reports, and advisories to users. What are the main objectives of this KSN DMC? Hazard mapping and vulnerability studies, strengthening of information technology for natural disaster management, monitoring and impact assessment of natural hazards, human resource development through training, natural disaster early warning system. So please note down all these points. These are very, very important points. Consider the second statement. Consider the following statements about the interactive help desk Varuna Mitra. Varuna Mitra provides weather information and forecast services crucial for various sectors, including industries and urban development. Accurate weather information by Varuna Mitra helps in reducing the use of plant protection, chemicals, and input costs. These services are beneficial only during the post-harvest operations and marketing phase of the crop cycle. Precise weather information increases the efficiency of water, labor, and energy use. So, this is right statement. It provides weather information and forecast services, and then it helps in reducing the use of plant protection chemicals and input cost. This is also correct. The services are beneficial only during post-harvest operation. This is false. Precise weather information increases the efficiency of water, labor, and energy use. This has to be naturally correct. This is a generic statement. So the right option is option 3, only 3 here. So Varuna Mitra is an interactive help desk. What is the interactive help desk? That means farmers can call and they can interact with the experts about the weather information and what is the weather forecast. So this is the interactive help desk. It provides weather information and forecast services that are crucial for planning and managing activities in various sectors, not only for agriculture but also industries, urban development, and also disaster management. Disaster management. Accurate weather information and related advisories with high spatial and temporal resolution can significantly enhance decision making and management of agricultural risks by farmers. These services contribute to developing sustainable and economically viable agricultural systems, reducing the use of plant protection chemicals. It will reduce the use of plant protection chemicals, decreasing input costs, minimizing losses and risks, improving production and quality, increasing the efficiency of water, labor, and energy use, and also conserving natural resources. Weather information is essential throughout the entire crop cycle, from selecting suitable crops and varieties to post-harvest operations and marketing. Therefore, this is going to be helpful for the entire crop cycle. Varuna Mitra is going to help the farmers in the entire crop cycle, not only in post-harvest operations and marketing. Precise weather information benefits farmers in multiple ways. Varuna Mitra is very, very important. So, third question says, consider the following statements about the percentage share of FDI inflows among different states from October 2019 to September 2023. Maharashtra's FDI contribution to the total inflow is 30%. Yes, correct. Karnataka's FDI contribution to the total inflow is 23%. Correct. Delhi's FDI contribution to the total inflow is 14%. Correct. Telangana's FDI contribution to the total inflow is 5%. Wrong. It is 3%. Therefore, the right option is option 3, only 3. So, Karnataka attracted a total of 47,305 million US dollars in foreign direct investment from October 2019 to September 23, and it contributed 23% of the country's total FDI, and Karnataka stood second. Note it down, second. Maharashtra was first, and it received the highest FDI inflows among the states, amounting to 61,921 million US dollars, which accounts for 30% of the total FDI in India. Third is Gujarat. It attracted 34,187 million US dollars in FDI, representing 16% of the total inflow. Delhi saw FDI inflows of 28,300 million US dollars, making up 14% of the country's total. And Telangana, please note it down that Telangana contributed 3%. Telangana contributed 3%, and after Delhi, it is Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, West Bengal. You have to note it down that after Delhi, Tamil Nadu received 5%, Haryana received 4%, Telangana received 3%, Jharkhand received 1%, Rajasthan received 1%, West Bengal received 1% of the total FDI inflow in India. Fourth question says, consider the following statements about the Nal Jal Mitra scheme. The scheme aims to train 11,924 local self-help groups women. Training is provided in skills including plumbing, electrical work, and machinery. The duration of the training course is 16 hours. The training is conducted by the Karnataka Skill Development Corporation, including soft skills and employability skills. Statement A is correct, B is correct, C is false, D is correct. The duration of the training course is 5-10 hours, not 6-10 hours. Therefore, the right option is option 3, only 3. So, under the Nal Jal Mitra scheme, the objective is to train 11,924 local self-help group women in various skills such as doing plumbing work, electrical work, and machinery work. The training program lasts 5-10 hours, approximately 5-10 hours, and is conducted by the Karnataka Skill Development Corporation, KSDC, covering both technical skills and soft skills, including employability skills. Note it down, very, very important. Nal Jal Mitra scheme. Fifth statement says, consider the following statements regarding the Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. The scheme provides financial support only for the delivery of the second child. False. The amount provided for the first child is dispersed in 2 equal installments. See, here it says it gives the financial support only for the delivery of second child. The amount provided for the first child is dispersed in 2 equal installments. So both are mutually contradictory to each other. What you have to do in such situations, since they are asking how many of the above statements, you can arrive at the option that one is definitely wrong. Under such circumstances, one of the other statements is definitely wrong, so you can eliminate all 4. The amount provided for the first child is dispersed in 2 equal installments. Correct. The cash incentives aim to provide or improve health-seeking behavior and prevent female infanticide. Obviously, for the second child, the benefit is provided only if the child is a girl. Even this is correct. So, the right option is option 3, only 3. So, Pradhana Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana aims to provide partial wage compensation. It provides partial wage compensation through cash incentives to support women in taking adequate rest before as well as after the delivery of their first living child. And this scheme is intended to promote better health-seeking behavior among pregnant women and lactating mothers, and also improve the sex ratio at birth and prevent female infanticide. The benefits are granted for the first 2 living children with the condition that the second child must be a girl. It is given for first 2 children with the condition that second child should be a girl. Second child should definitely be a girl. For the first child, the scheme offers rupees 5,000 in 2 installments. First is 3,000 after 6 months of pregnancy and 2,000 rupees after childbirth. Note it down. For the second child, a one-time amount of rupees 6,000 is given after childbirth, that is girl child. In the fiscal year 2023-24 up to November 2023, an expenditure of rupees 41.65 crore was incurred for 1,09,014 beneficiaries. So please remember that this particular scheme is for 2 children. It is for 2 children. So it is for before and after the delivery of first 2 living children with the condition that second child has to be a girl. So with this, we come to the end of 19th part. Hope you are watching all the parts and noting down all the points important from budget as well as economic survey series. We will meet in the last part of the series, that is 20th part of economic survey series. Thank you.